sit and wonder what he did, my Lord, to accept death that I may live. He has chosen to suffer and has chosen to die just to let me restore to happiness. Yes, I always wonder what has led my Lord to accept death that I may live. I sit and wonder what he did, my Lord, to accept death that I may live. He was born as a king, but he took upon himself for my sake a crown of thorns. Yes, I always wonder what has led my Lord to accept death that I may live. I sit and wonder what he did, my Lord, to accept death that I may live. He was richer than the rich, but he fasted many days and was hungry, but never gave up. Yes, I always wonder what has led my Lord to accept death that I may live. I sit and wonder what he did, my Lord, to accept death that I may live. He was greater than the great, but he stood to be humbled and be mocked beyond the least. Yes, I always wonder what has led my Lord to accept death that I may live. I sit and wonder